Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today we will do the revision exercise of chapter 2. Question number 3. In this question, you have to express with negative exponents. Means you have to write the answer in the negative exponent class. Means जो आपका आंसर है उसमें जो पावर है वो क्या होनी चाहिए? Negative. The base can be any number. Now your first question is 625. Class, very simple question. If you are knowing that 625 is the square of 25, you can write the answer directly like this. Right, class? Now you have to make the power 2 negative. So what you will do, you will write the reciprocal of the base and the power becomes negative. Class, I told you earlier, whenever you have to make the negative power positive, what we will do? We will write the reciprocal of the base. Same way, if we have to make the positive power negative, what we will do? We will write the reciprocal of the base. So this can be one answer for this question. One more solution for this question can be, class, as we all are knowing, 625 is 5 raised to the power 4. When we do the prime factorization of 625, we will get 5 4 times. So we can write 5 raised to the power 4. So another solution for this question can be 1 by 5 raised to the power minus 4. So both the answers are correct for this question because they have asked to write the answer in the negative power, right? Negative exponent. So this answer is also correct and this is also correct here. Now look at the question number B. This is minus 64 by 125. So first of all, look at the denominator, this 125. So this can be written as, this is the cube of 5. So what we will write? We will write it as 5 raised to the power 3. Now class, minus 64. Now here minus 64, you will say that ma'am 64 is also 2 raised to the power 6 and 4 raised to the power 3. 64 is 2 raised to the power 6 and also 4 raised to the power 3, right? But if you write 2, this will, you cannot get negative answer, because if you write minus 2 raised to the power 6, it will be same, right? But you have to write the negative. So for the negative answer, your power must be odd in the number. यहाँ पे 6 आपका इवन है, तो आपका बेस चाहे पॉजिटिव हो या नेगेटिव, आपका आंसर क्या आएगा? हमेशा पॉजिटिव आएगा. तो 2 के साथ में अगर आप 2 की पावर 6 में आंसर लिख रहे हैं तो आपको माइनस 64 नहीं मिलेगा क्लास, राइट? और आपको यहाँ पे क्लियरली यहाँ पे 3 की पावर में ही लिखना है क्योंकि बेस आपका 3 की पावर में है. सो हेयर वी विल राइट minus 4 raised to the power 3. So what we will write minus 4 by 5 raised to the power 3, right? Now for the negative exponent, what we will do? We will write the reciprocal of the base, minus 5 by 4 raised to the power 3. So this is the only solution for this question. क्लास, जैसे फर्स्ट वाले क्वेश्चन के आपके 2 आंसर्स हो सकते थे, प्लीज़ कीप इन माइंड इस वाले क्वेश्चन के आपके जो हैं सिर्फ यही आपका आंसर होगा, राइट? नाउ लुक एट द नेक्स्ट. नाउ हेयर दिस इज 9 की पावर 2 एंड हेयर इट इज 16 रेज टू दी पावर 2. 256 का स्क्वायर किसका स्क्वायर है? 16 का स्क्वायर है. तो यू कैन राइट इट हेयर डायरेक्टली. So you can write it as 9 by 16 raised to the power 2, or you can write 16 by 9, here we will put negative sign, raised to the power minus 2, the reciprocal. So like this we can get the negative power, right? Here you can write one more solution, class. Can you guess it what? 34 is also alternate second solution. This is the second solution for this. So you can also write it as 3 raised to the power 4. 81 is the 3 raised to the power 4 है ना. When we will do the factors of 81 we will get 3 4 times, and same way 4 raised to the power 4 is also 256. So you can write here 3/4. बस क्लास आपको यहाँ इस चीज़ पे ज़रूर ध्यान देना है कि जो पावर है आपकी न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में आपको सेम रखनी है. जैसे आप बोलेंगे मैम 256 की प्लेस पे तो हम 2 की पावर 8 भी लिख सकते हैं. यस आप लिख सकते हैं, लेकिन आप फिर आगे फर्दर क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं कर पाएंगे क्योंकि आपको जो पावर है वो सेम रखनी है. तो या तो आप यहाँ पे दोनों की पावर 2 रखिए या फिर आप दोनों में 4 रखेंगे. हम ऊपर में 2 या अपॉन में 8 इस तरीके से आप नहीं लेंगे क्वेश्चन क्लास. तो इसमें मेन चीज़ आपको यह ध्यान रखना है कि न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में पावर आपको सेम रखनी है. जैसे यहाँ पर भी आपको 2 वैसे भी नहीं ले सकते थे. अगर ये प्लस का 64 होता, इन दैट केस ऑल्सो यू कैन नॉट टेक 2 की पावर 6 बिकॉज 5 की पावर 3 को आप चेंज नहीं कर सकते. तो प्लीज़ टेक दिस इनटू केयर. तो दिस इज़ 3/4 raised to the power 4, and for the negative power this is 4/3 raised to the power -4. I hope class you understood this. Okay, now look at the last question. This is -8/27. So 8 is the cube of 2 and 27 is the cube of 3. So what we will write? We will write -2/3 raised to the power 3 class. Oral question है because you have written in the project the cubes, है ना. So you can do it directly. Otherwise what you will do? You will have to do the prime factorization as we are doing it earlier. Now for the negative exponent, this is -3/2 raised to the power -3 class. I hope this is understood to you very well. Now look at the question number 4th of exercise, revision exercise. This is, by what number should 8 raised to the power -1 be multiplied so that the product is -10? Class, whenever you will get the questions like this, always do it by the X method. So let it be multiplied. Let it be multiplied by X, right? So according to the question class, what you will write? 8 raised to the power -1 multiplied by X is equal to -10. Read the question. By what number should -8 raised to the power -1 be multiplied so that the product is -10? So now this will be 1/8 equals to -10. So X equals to, now 8 is in the denominator, so it will go in the numerator, 10 into 8. So X equals to -80. It means the number should be multiplied by -80 to get the product -10. Right class? You can check it also here. See, this is 8 raised to the power -1 multiplied by -80. So this will be 1/8 into -80. When you solve it, you will get -10, and this is checked class. You get the same answer. Right class? Now look at the question number 5. By what number should -16 raised to the power -2 be divided so that the quotient is equals to -4 raised to the power -2? What we will do class? Again, let it be divided by X. Let it be divided by X. Therefore, according to question. Now what? Please keep in mind, X divided नहीं लिखना है आपको. You will write it very carefully. This is, अगर आपने क्लास उल्टा लिख दिया, your whole sum will get wrong. Do it very carefully while you will dealing with the exponents, especially when you are dealing with the negative exponents. Write each and every step to avoid any mistake. Now make it positive. So what you will write? 1 by minus 16 raised to the power 2 divided by x equals to 1 by minus 4 raised to the power 2. So this becomes, class, what it will be? 1 by minus 16 into 1 minus 16, it will be 1 by 256. The square of 16 is 256 and negative sign will be positive. In case of divide, I am doing it multiply. Now this we will write the reciprocal of x. What is the reciprocal of x? 1 by x equals to, now this will become minus 4 ka square is 16. Minus 4 into minus 4 becomes 16. Therefore, 256 into x into 1. These two, class, miss, is equals to 1 into 1 into 16. Means x equals to, this will become 16 by 256. 1 है, ये अपॉन में आपका डिनोमिनेटर में 256. Class, if you follow all the rules, you will not face any problem. So x equals to 1 by 16, and if you want to write in the power notation form, this will be 16 raised to the power minus 1, class. Get it, everyone, class? So when you divide minus 16 raised to the power minus 2 by this number, you will get this as your answer, class. I hope this is understood to you all. Thank you, class. Do it very nicely. Revise it again and again. Thank you.